Logic and Binary here at LB Dexter. Today we have MTech USA going on Amazon. $12.08. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what we find out, see what we got inside and go from there. Ooh, he was kind enough to cut it open for me so that I don't use my knife to promote this knife. Anyways, MTech, and like always, company green. It's heavy. Okay, so let's start the heavy counter. That's 2 if you're not counting. And it's somewhat confusing. It looks like a dragon. Ready? No, I'm befuddled. Yeah, see? Oh, there we go. That's not very smooth. It does, I mean, it's all tricked out. It looks nice. It's got all these designs. It kind of looks dragony-ish.
Time for the real dragon sword power!
But that's not very comfy. I guess after a while might get used to it. Maybe it just needs some use. Maybe it's just stiff a little bit right now, but no, yeah, that's tough, man. Okay, but flips open. I really do like the color. Sharpness test. It's not sharp at all. Yeah, it's not really that sharp, to be honest. But that's not, I mean, that's okay. It doesn't have to, it doesn't, oh, that's actually pretty dull. Yeah, that's dull. I'm putting quite a bit of pressure on there. If the knife is dull, it's not really a big deal because you can always sharpen it up yourself. It's not a big deal. We'll go ahead and do a sharpening video. We can sharpen this one and we can sharpen the SeeNew. So it's not that difficult to do, but it is a little disappointing. It's not a big deal. I mean, I guess safety too, packaging, I don't know. I'm not gonna make excuses for the MTech company, but I'm putting some pressure in there, and as you can see, it's not really cutting. So it's really not that sharp, okay? You can see the whiteness on my finger, it does change color, so I am putting some kind of pressure in there, and it's not really cutting much, so it's not very sharp. The design here, it has the design of typical knives with the seatbelt cutter, however, there's no blade in there. Oh, okay, so this is a beer opener. Okay, I usually have this as a bureau. Anyways, but this does look like a glass cutter, right? I mean, window breaker, right? So it's got a window breaker. It doesn't have a seatbelt cutter, but it has a bottle opener. So if you're stuck in your car, pop open a beer and die. I guess so, right? MTech USA 1208 on Amazon. It has reviews of 4.5 stars. Is that 4.5 stars? 4.5 stars. That actually, you know what? That is pretty exciting. This seems very strong. Let me put this away. I'm gonna hurt myself. But this is strong. And this is really what you need. This is the masterpiece right here. I carry a knife every day, and I have done it for years. A little pocket knife about this size, nothing too crazy. It just comes in handy opening boxes, unscrewing things. I mean, it's handy as can be. And I've come to find out that the knives that have the strongest clip are the ones that I tend to love the most, because they don't bust. You know, you clip them onto your pants and they get caught on things. You get caught on the car and everything. And most of them, they get caught. This is weak. They get bent over and that's it. You know, you have to take it apart. And it's not even worth it, you know, especially for 12 bucks. I'm not going to take this thing apart. If it breaks, I'll just order another one. So I have noticed, and that's the one particular thing that I really liked about the SeeNew pocket knife, is the fact that it does have a very, very strong clip. It has been caught. I mean, I could wear it. I've worn it for over a year. It gets caught on things. It's bent over and it just comes right back to place, and it stays clipped very well. The other thing that I do love about the SeeNew knife is that it has a seatbelt cutter. I'm not sure why. No, there was no screwdriver in there. What instructions? It came with a bag. Includes pocket clip screwdriver. I don't know if that means it came with a screwdriver or if somewhere on this knife there's a screwdriver. But I don't see a screwdriver anywhere on here. I don't see anything that can be used as a screwdriver, and it sure as hell didn't come with a screwdriver. The tip is flat and can be used as a screwdriver, not with a pointy tip. It's not flat. And he's got a point. It can be used as a flathead screwdriver. So there's a chance that that might be thin enough to use as a screwdriver, as a flathead, but that's pretty thick. And at that point, you're probably better off with a quarter. But I will try this, and we'll go ahead and give you an update on our weekly review. Gotta have the seatbelt cutter. See, X guy. Yeah, he's right. You gotta have the seatbelt cutter. I mean, that's what are you gonna do? Like I said, you're drowning. You pop open a beer.
She got beer me?
So.
She got beer him, man. Beer the man.
Pocket knife. For the beer. Unusable footage. MTech company green pocket knife. 1208 Amazon, link below. Like, subscribe, thumbs up. Like always, if you love the video, give us a thumbs up. If you hate it, give us a thumbs up anyway. Logic and Binary, at LB Dexter, at TGOT. Cheeto Fingers finally made it back. Cue the outro. X-Guy, this is when you start singing, man. This is when you start singing.
Yeah, and we can smoke.
Cook me chicken tacos, my love. Oh.